What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one, we're taking a look at how to record gaming highlight clips with Nvidia Experience, which is also called Shadowplay. So let's take a look at it. So first off, you'll need to go to Nvidia's website and download Shadowplay or GeForce Experience. So hit the download button and get that installed, and we'll move on with the next part. So once you've got that installed, you can go down to the bottom right hand side and you should see Nvidia GeForce. Right click on this and click on Nvidia GeForce Experience. Click on that and it will open up this little window here, and it will show you all your games. And basically what you need to do here, we'll start off with the settings tab first. So click on the settings tab here. And once you've got the settings tab open, look for an area called in-game overlay just here. And you can see mine is toggled on already. You should see the little toggle switch is green, and that means it's on. If it's like this, then it's off. So just toggle that on. What this is going to allow us to do is capture small little clips of footage. And these will be the clips that are all of your good best moments. So here we've got some settings we can mess around with here. I'll show you a couple. The HUD layout is basically for FPS counters and other bits and pieces. You can put that up onto the screen wherever you want to place it. Again, keyboard shortcuts is what you're going to be using to capture those little clips. And these are your best plays. Rather than capture the whole video, you can just use the Alt F10 here, and this will capture a certain amount of recording time that you want. For instance, I've got mine set to 2 minutes, and that's normally enough. And that will be the best play of the match that you might have done. And you can continue to keep capturing as many 2-minute clips or 3-minute or 5-minute clips, depending on what you set it to, throughout that match. So let's take a look here at all the audio settings. This is for the audio, for your microphone and other things like that. You can see microphone and system audio. You can set the volume to whatever you like here and select your headphones, and you can put the boost up as well in there. Just get it set right. Now, once you go to this area here, if you don't know where this is the little 3 dots and a triangle here. Click on this bit here and it opens up this area here. This will be for your instant replay, and make sure that is on. Now, before we go into instant replay, you will see record and broadcast live. Now, if you're doing streaming or Twitch or something like that, it's best not to use record or broadcast live. It's better off to use OBS or something like that. So inside the instant replay, if you've got it toggled on, you won't be able to change the settings. So make sure you toggle this off first to make settings changes, and then you can toggle it back on. So go toggle off and then go into your settings, and this is where you can set your quality. I've got mine set to high here, and while you're in here you can also set your instant replay length. I've got mine set to 2 minutes because that's normally the clips that I like to capture, and it's normally the best bits of the match that I like to capture. And you can continue to capture 2 minutes at a time, and you can make that longer if you wish. There's custom settings for quality here. Resolution also is whatever you want to set yours to. I've got mine in game, so if you want to record at higher resolution and you've got a higher monitor, you can do that also. I've got this set to 60 frames per second. Also down the bottom here, bit rate, I've got that around about 50 here, but you can set yours to whatever you like, and that works fine for me right there. And just once you've got your settings, hit save, and then you can go back here. So again, once you've got that done, you can go back in here and toggle this on. So it's now on. And anytime you've come to a part of the match where you're doing really well, you can push Alt F10 and it will make that clip of 2 minutes. Also on the right hand side, you can see your audio. I'll leave this to always on. So it's recording all of the audio settings. Inside here, you will see source, which is your microphone for your headphones. Put that in there and make sure you split the audio tracks to both video and audio. That way you can do whatever you like with the audio and it doesn't mess up your recordings. Now there's also a camera section on here just in case you want to show your camera, your face when you're recording. You can do that also and set this up, and from then on in you should be pretty much good to go to start capturing clips of your best parts of your game when you're playing it. And you can then stitch all those together and make a nice little video. They should look something like this when you've captured them all, and you can open these up in any video editor and then start editing all the videos. So they look like something like this. This is a little clip that I clipped of my own play here on Valorant. As you can see here, there's 2 of us left against 4. My teammate is down there And basically I've gone to what we call heaven, moved up to here, and I'm just hiding. I've got an SMG here, nothing too powerful, just waiting for the plays to happen. My teammate has now died. It's 1v4. I've used my alt. I've jumped out, killed one of them, and basically flashed the corner here, pulled out. There's two more here, killed these two, dipped back in, and I flashed the top of heaven, and basically the other one drops out, and I killed him as well. A nice little clip there, clip that for myself, and that's pretty much it. That's basically how you can record your gaming highlights or clips with Nvidia Experience or Shadowplay. Just want to say a big shout out to all my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support, and I shall see you again for another video real soon. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Have a lovely weekend, and thanks again for watching. Bye for now.